Hey guys, I'm Sadie, the original bag lady. But don't get it twisted because you never know what I have coming out of my bag. Honestly, it's never a dull moment. So I haven't posted a video in a while. That's okay. I've been focusing on my tie-dye. But I needed a pair of glasses, okay? And I usually go on down to Lens Craft and spend $400 or $500 on one pair of glasses that I'm often dissatisfied with. So I decided I was going to do something different. I was going to try Warby Parker, or they got another one called Pear, they have one where you just clip the different lenses, the different frames on top of a base frame. And I finally stumbled into Muukal, M-U-U-K-A-L. So I had this package that I took out of my mailbox sometime yesterday and didn't realize what it was. And figured I'd do an unboxing with these glasses. They have come from China. It should have been 5 pair. I have 4. $250 for 5 pair. Let's see what the deal is. Muukal, M-U-U-K-I-L. Let's see, folks. These are supposed to be progression, and they're also supposed to gradiate, turn dark in the sun. I like. But where's the tint? So I need a UV light. I need a UV light to get up with the tint. Other than that, though, we'll see. Oh, I didn't check for the progressive. I didn't check. Not bad, folks. Not bad. Instead of spending all that daggone money on one pair of glasses, never mind. I've been wearing glasses since I was a little girl, and I look better in glasses than I do hats, so I'm particular about my glasses. I haven't really gotten these to gradiate or get darker yet, but we'll work on it. I got a couple more pair I wanna see, I wanna try out. So I have these clear cases, but that's okay. I have a lot of cases, and it appears that the prescription is on the bag of each pair. In an individual Ziploc bag with a cloth for cleaning. And they have these on the arms of the glasses. And these come with a tint. I'm not dissatisfied, honestly. I'm not. Kind of big for my face, but that's okay. I want to be able to switch up, you know. And since I tie-dye, I have many things with different colors. They have names too. Like this one is called. I wonder if it's on the case. Well, it came from here, I think. Anita medium red, radiation fuchsia, advanced coatings, lens premium progressive, middle index 1.55 sunglass tint. That's on these. That's kind of all right, folks. Let me just put them back, because if I don't, I'll get all discombobulated. Yeah, I want to keep them nice until I hook them up with that outfit. And I will show you guys, yeah, because it's going to be something I have tie-dyed or made. So again, like I said, now these came with a pair of the chain, which I think is nice. It's a nice little gift. Nice little gift. These are the Maybell. These are the Maybell. And they come wrapped with the cleaning cloth. They do have the gradation. I mean this left eye don't seem right. Something's not right with these. Oh, there we go. There we go. My fault. Photochromatic, high index, premium progressive, photochromatic brown. I don't see a brown coating. Maybe that's as coating as you're going to get. Yeah, that's how it be sometimes. So this cloth says www.muukal, muukal.com, prescription eyeglassware. And I have not been paid to do this. I just wanted to put my peoples on to something I thought was a pretty awesome deal. And I wanted, yeah, that's all. I just wanted to put my folkses on. So we can stop spending all our little coins. You know. Don't nobody really be seeing us anyway. Same old people at work. I don't know, maybe you got a channel, you know. Maybe you got a dress to impress, you know. I don't know, you know. But, yeah, I just really wanted to put my votes on. So, you know, hey, like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I think this is going to be like my breakout pair. Because it goes with my little cat eyes and my little face. I think this is going to be my breakout pair. And I'll step it up gradually. You know what I mean? So I am Sadie, the original bag lady. Don't get it twisted. You never know what I got coming out my bag. It's never a dull moment. Peace.